Hi, today we are going to present about assignment of telecommunication switching system. Our group member is AIMIE ANEESA binti SAKRRI B0821100038, Nur FADHLINA binti ANUAR B0821100065, Najwa Syuhada binti RAIZU B08211055, SHAZRAH ADNIN binti HUSIN B0821100211.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AIMIE ANEESA binti SAKRRI, and for my part is introduction and the objective. Voice over Internet Protocol is a type of technology that allows users to make a phone call through the Internet. It is also a technology that converts voice into digital signal that can be transmitted over the Internet as digital data packets via your local area network. Physical office phones that may be used with a VoIP phone system are known as VoIP phones or IP phones. IP addresses are given to make it easier for them to make calls across the network. The objective for this project is, the first one is reliable data transmission to ensure robust and efficient communication with reliable data transmission and reception. The second one is cost-effective telephony to implement a VoIP system to reduce telephony costs compared to traditional phone system. Platform versatility to create a VoIP system compatible with various platforms and devices, supporting flexibility and remote work. Data security and control to enhance security by controlling data, preventing leaks, and securing voice and data transmission. Last one is to improve communication efficiency, streamline internal communication, reduce call queues, and enhance customer service with efficient call routing. And that's all from me.
For coding, figure 1 shows the IP route for router 0, which include the local, connected, and static code, and then IP route for router 1. And IP route for router 2. For IP interface router 0, for IP interface router 0. For coding, figure 1 shows the IP route for router 0, which include the local, connected, and static code, and then IP route for router 1. And IP route for router 2. For IP interface router 0, fast Ethernet 0/0 is unassigned and 0/0.1 is 10.0.0.1. So this is for our IP interface router 1, which fast Ethernet is 10.5.5.6, and fast Ethernet for 0/1 is unassigned. IP interface router 2 is fast Ethernet is 0/0 is 10.5.2. Fast Ethernet for 0/1 10.5.5.5, which VLAN 1 is unassigned. For VLAN switch 0, the VLAN is set as default in floor. VLAN 1 is set as default and VLAN 2 is in floor 1. VLAN 3 is floor 2. VLAN 10 is voice. For VLAN switch 1, VLAN 1 is set to default. VLAN 4 is server. VLAN 5 is floor 3, and VLAN 20 is for voice. This is the result for ePhone router 0 and ePhone router 1. This is the result for phone 1. The active line 1, which is 122, is registered. When calling IP phone at floor 3, which is 133, it starts ringing and connected when pick up the phone.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur FADHLINA binti ANUAR. My matric number B0821100065. Today I want to present about network topology. Our group use 3 router 0, router 1 and router 2, and we use the one server for database, one server for file, and then for flow, flow 1 and flow 3 have 2 server for workgroup and printer server, but for flow 2 and flow 4 have 3 server. And then when we ping from flow 1 to flow 3, we get this result. Same with flow 2 and flow 4, we get same result. And for when we try make a call from flow 1 and to flow 3, the IP phone is connected, but when I go from flow 2 to flow 1, we get the result busy because flow 1 has connected with flow 3, and then we have 4 server in switch 1 to send email, HTTP, web charger and firewall. This is our topology for our group. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I want to present about the financial analysis. If you can see here, there is 4 category. There is hardware cost, software cost, installation and configuration, and the last one is ongoing maintenance. For the first part is hardware cost. There is include the router, switches, IP phone, server, and additional network, which is cable, adapter, and so on. So in our design, we use 3 router, 2 switch, 4 IP phone. So the rough total for the hardware cost is 90,600. For the software cost, it's about the license. Our company license, our client software license, and the security of the software. So our company spend 5,000 for our license. For the security software, it roughly use 2,000 until 20,000. The total software is about 13,500. For the installation and configuration, estimate the cost of hiring external consultant or IT professional for installation and configuration. So budget is around 10,000, and configuration testing is include the cost of training employees, so is about 5,000. The total is 15,000. Ongoing maintenance, for the annual maintenance is 8,000. The total ongoing cost is 15,000. Alright, so it leading to the total projected cost is 134,100 in 1 year. Alright, let's talk about the implication. There is several important implication and consideration must be made while we design and implementing the web system. Alright, first of all, it's important to provide the effective communication, since switching method make it possible for voice and the data signal to be routed between users and the device. Next is scalability. It is also important since the telecommunication switching system have to cope with the increasing the number of the users and the device over time, right? If the voice system is scalable, it enables the smooth growth without requiring a significant changes. In order to keep the voice communication operating smooth within the network, we must to control the bandwidth. So it involves the figuring out how much the bandwidth is used and make sure there is enough capacity. Furthermore, there is a security precaution. It is also important to protect the web communication from outside threats and unauthorized access. Right. So this help to maintain the integrity of the communication inside the network. Alright, so if there is a good security, the web system may function effectively and safely. Right. Last one is installation and setup. It is easy to integrate the web device and software with the current network architecture. So it is important to provide the staff member training on how to operate the new web system after it has to be installed.
In conclusion, a voice over internet protocol system is great. The voice over internet protocol system appropriate software and IP network are designed and simulate. We are also able to comprehend the voice over internet protocol, usually referred to as IP telephony, is a method and collection of tools for conducting multimedia session and voice call. All internet protocol function properly with the help of the Cisco Packet Tracer software, demonstrating the success of the system and programming that was performed.